Any mention?
First one.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, first one is there. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 6.
Yes.
May this matter be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Lordship, the matters tag along with item number 7, Lordship. So let it come together after 2 weeks, my Lord. It's a joint prayer, Lordship.
6, 7. Joint payment with the parties. List of 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
But I beg to make a mention of item 5, my lord.
Yes.
I'm hoping something positive may come up, my lord. If the matter is listed after 4 weeks, my lord.
No objection, Your Lordship.
But there is, till now, there is no settlement. Till now.
My lord, I'm at one more opportunity later. If the Honorable Court grants it, my lord.
On the prayer of the petitioner, not objected to by the not considered settlement. List after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. 2 weeks' time will be allowed, Your Lordship.
No objection.
2 weeks on the prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Highly obliged.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 8 and 9, my lord. If the matter may come after 2 weeks, my lord.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Same thing. No objection. Just no objection by the respondents. Okay. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 3, Lordship. I'm seeking for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Same order. Yes.
Lordship, I also beg to make a mention of item number 14, Lordship. 14 and 15 are connected. Lordship, I'm a proxy counsel on behalf of Mr. D. Thaba, Lordship. I'm praying for a week's time. He's currently out of station, Lordship.
I have no objection. In fact, I have raised a maintainability on this. So
Any interim order here?
there is no interim order. And then, my lord, I have been instructed that the suit has been disposed of in the trial court also because there's no stay.
Both the matter pertains to one suit.
Yes, my lord. This connected, 2 suits are there, but between the same parties.
And both the suits are disposed of.
That's my instruction. So I have asked for a order.
And this revision is against what? What order?
It's a revision for allowing substitutions, my lord.
If the suit is disposed of, then
Dispose
nothing
of this
will
will become infructuous, my lord.
And
But that's per my instruction in the morning, my lord. So
And you obtain this thing?
my lord,
Copies of the order? If that
my
is-
lord, my lord.
Okay. This is also this important 2 weeks on the request of the petitioner. Yes. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
May it please Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 12.
Yes.
Praying for a week's time.
No objection. 1 week. After a week, 12. on the prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 10.
Yes.
We have no objection, Lordship.
Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
10 of 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
Right, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
Again?
Item 13, Your Lordship.
Yes.
2 weeks' time may given, Your Lordship.
Lordship, a specific date may kindly be fixed for this matter. It will be helpful.
We'll make it, we'll list it after 2 weeks. Date you just see there from there, collect it from there.
I'll
Your Lordship.
Prayer of the petition, list after 2 weeks. Give him a alternative date. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
blessed.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Lordship.
Item?
Number 4, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time.
My lord, 2 weeks. The prayer of respondent not object to the law counsel of the petition. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 17.
No objection. 17, so 2 weeks on the prayer of the respondents. Yes.
Lordship, I pray that the matter be listed after 1 week, Lordship.
Why after 1 week? After 1 week? All right, item. All right, after 1 week.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I'm entering appearing for respondent number 2, Lordship.
So what is to be done now?
Some more time to file the objection, Lordship.
Lordship, there's an interim order.
Okay. Miss. Just Malakland Council has entered appearance on 2 weeks. Go on the way of the respondent. Please for grant of some time for filing. Dependent position. Prayer alert, list after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. And in this case also, list after 2 weeks. In the meantime, the interim order passed earlier shall continue. Yes.
Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'll take you to the affidavit, because that's where we...
Affidavit of?
Affidavit filed by the petitioner, wherein the 4 enclosures also were annexed.
Okay. Which page?
Page 8, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is the patta issued by the GHADC. On, Your Lordship, on the next page, page 9, just on top, it's 19th September 2006.
Yes.
Assuming, Your Lordship, that the mutation was had taken place in 1997, Your Lordship, then the patta number and the dark numbers are same, and he is the original owner. His name would have not been reflected in the periodic patta. Your Lordship, the translated copy is at page 14. The typed copy.
Just a minute. Page 14.
Page 14 is the typed copy.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here also it's like it's written that the patta was reissued. Just on top, sir. It's,
Yes.
Your Lordship, it's written translated and types copy.
Yes.
Issued P. Patta, reissued in the name of so and so.
Yes.
Shiv Jatan Gupta.
Yes.
Wide O number so and so, dated Tura the 19th September 2006.
Yes.
Your Lordship, it pertains to the same patta number 420. Same dark number, Your Lordship.
Down below periodic Miyati Patta number 420.
420.
Yes.
Same dark number and the same area.
So what do you want to mean here? You want to say there are two pattas?
No, Your Lordship.
Then?
Here it's like they had stated that the mutation had taken place in favor of the petitioner directly from the grandfather, bypassing the father of the petitioner way back in 1997. Now, assuming that to be true, then how this patta was reissued? Whenever a patta is reissued, Your Lordship, it's always for 10 years because it's a periodic patta.
No, but then who is Shiv Jatan Gupta?
GHDC issued.
Who is Shiv Jatan Gupta?
Is the husband of the complainant.
So what complainant has to do with that?
The complainant under the authority from the wife.
Assuming that if you want to say that Shiv Jatan Gupta's name was entered.
Not entered. Entered would be something else. A patta has been issued.
Okay.
He is the original owner.
Okay. But then if there is any criminality, that will bind only Shiv Jatan Gupta, not the petitioner.
No, Your Lordship. Shiv Jatan Gupta expired, Your Lordship.
Yes. So any criminal act done by him will be faced by the petitioner.
He cannot do any criminality because this is a patta issued by GHDC, where the record of rights are maintained by GHDC, Your Lordship.
Right. So right now petitioner is here. What petitioner has to do with the
Petitioner is claiming the same set of property which does not belong to him.
Petitioner is claiming that she is claiming ownership over the property. So that is
Same property.
That is a different altogether is a different thing.
He has managed to fraudulently enter his name because
Whose name?
His own name, the petitioner's name.
Where it is?
Your Lordship, I'll take you to the para 4 of the petition first. Para 4 of the petition. Just a brief.
See, petitioner's entry is subsequent to the entry of Shiv Jatan Gupta, isn't it?
No.
Is it before?
Before. There is a contradiction there. In everything. Your Lordship may come to page 28, so it will be very clear.
Page 28?
28
of
of the annexures, of the petition.
Yes.
Your Lordship, just below this, the type copy actually, it's written mutation allowed in favor of Sri Suresh Kumar Jain, Bora, whole dark number so and so, by right of inheritance, wide order dated 13 February 1969. Your Lordship, just mark this 1969, Your Lordship.
Where you are reading?
Page 28.
On the right hand side.
On the right hand side, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Who is the father of the petitioner, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Now, just below that, Your Lordship,
Yes.
mutation allowed in favor of Sri Sumit Kumar Jain, Bora, by right of inheritance, wide GDC number so and so, wide order dated 14/3/1997, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now, when it's right of inheritance, it's when the father or anybody expires. That's how the inheritance falls into the property.
There are two. See, inheritance, so far as Mitakshara law and Devavaga law is concerned, it's different. If you're talking about inheritance under the Hindu law, is it same?
It's different. Here I am on the dates, Your Lordship.
No, anyway,
Dates.
see, that the thing is that which your petitioner is concerned with all those.
Because petitioner has placed it on record, I have.
You do not know. You see, you are basically arguing something which is very civil in nature. Now,
Your Lordship,
Which
there has
way-
been a fraudulent
which way-
act. There has
which
been a
way-
fraudulent act.
it's okay. Which way Onu Jain Bohra is concerned with that?
She is the beneficiary here.
See, Onu Jain Bohra has to.
Anujan Bora is the wife of Sumit Kumar Jain.
Then what it has to do with that Sivratan, which you have pointed out in that?
That's the original owner, Your Lordship. He is the original owner.
Who?
Shiv Jatan Gupta. There cannot be two owners, Your Lordship, of the same property. That to the record of rights maintained by the...
That is who is the proper owner, that will be determined.
Your Lordship, there has been a fraudulent act.
Whether a criminal case will determine who is the owner of the land.
But he has committed an offence, Your Lordship. Now, even if you go through his own pleadings, even if you go through the documents that has been placed,
Now, where the name of Anujan Bohra was entered?
Anujan Bora her name was entered in the same page, Your Lordship, on the left hand side. 28, page 28, left hand side, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Sri Suresh Kumar Jain Bora, son of late Dio Chand Bora, Sri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, and just below that number 2, Anu Jain Bora. Now on the next page, Your Lordship, page 29.
So that is before 2006, isn't it? This 1997-98 is before that, isn't it?
That patta is renewed, Your Lordship. That's the difference. Fresh patta issued. Renewed patta.
Oh, it comes subsequently, isn't it?
No, Your Lordship. It's like renewed. The patta has been renewed.
Renewal has been done subsequent to 1997-98, isn't it?
Then, Lordship, if that be so, I'll just take you to just one page, page 45, Your Lordship, of the petition, annexure 5. Just annexure 5.
Just a minute. See,
just annexure 5 I'll take you, just to clarify.
This court may not go and examine all those things. You see, that is
But
not
it's
the
a
work
part
of
of
this
the
court.
record, Your Lordship can, Your Lordship.
No, see, there is no question. See, we know that limited jurisdiction we have. There is no question. We'll go and evaluate and say that there is a criminal act, and then you see, like, you'll tell them to proceed. You have to show something that if you say that something has been done, wrongly has been done, what is that wrong you point out?
Annexure 5, Your Lordship.
What is that annexure at what page?
At page 45, Your Lordship, of the petition.
Page 45.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is general power of attorney.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, date of the GPA is 29 of July 2009.
Yes.
Your Lordship, may I read the GPA, Your Lordship? Whereas I, Sri Shiv Jatan Gupta, son of late Ram Dhani Gupta, a resident of Fancy Valley, PO, PS, so-and-so, by faith Hindu and by occupation service, at present residing at Condon Cottage, Upper Lashmer, East Khasi Hills, Shillong, own and possess a residential plot of land at Fancy Valley, Tura, measuring 0 biga 1 katta 3 lesa.
So?
Same area, Your Lordship.
So?
Covered by same patta number 420 dark number 1450, same.
Again, you have showed that the other document, Shiv Jatan Sharma's name came to be entered only in 2006. And this is, oh, 2009.
No, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
okay, yes.
He was the previous owner, it got renewed in the year 2006. It's a renewal periodic patta, it gets renewed after every periodic, after every 10 years. Yes, Your Lordship. So here, whereas I so and so, I'll just go to the relevant portion, just on the, therefore, on the same page, Your Lordship, therefore, know all men by this indenture that I, said Sri Shiv Jatan Gupta, do hereby nominate, constitute, and appoint Sri Sumit Kumar Jain.
But then it is not an official document, isn't it? It's a document exhibited by somebody.
It's a registered document, Your Lordship.
It can be registered.
It's attached with the petition, and they are also relying on it. It's attached with the petition, Lordship.
That is okay, but then we do not know. We see, court may not go and evaluate all those things. We'll just see what is the
Lordship can just see what are the
basic nature of irrigation.
contradictions. Just I am showing the contradictions, Your Lordship. The
You show us the criminality. Do not show the contradiction.
This shows the criminality, Your Lordship. When he has executed in favor of the petitioner, when Shiv Jatan Gupta has executed a GPA in 2009, how can the land get mutated in 97, Your Lordship? In their names.
So how do this court know that Shiv Jatan has done it correctly, legally?
That is where the investigation agency has to.
So then in such a case, Shiv Jatan also has to be investigated, isn't it? Is he an accused?
Shiv Jatan has expired in 2019, Your Lordship.
That is what the problem. That is what the problem is.
Your Lordship, if that be the case, even they have claimed in.
See, we are not going by their claim whether they are rightful owner or not. We are just interested to know what kind of criminal act committed by them.
Tempering of the documents, Your Lordship.
Which document has been tempered?
The Jamabandi.
Where is
in conspiracy with the GHDC officials, Your Lordship.
Where is that allegation in your FIR that they have tempered that Jamabandi?
Your Lordship, at page 4, para 4 of my FIR, in the annex also they have given the FIR in the additional affidavit. At para 4, second para, it's not used as tempering, Your Lordship, but there is an illegal mutation in this
That
state.
is totally an assumption.
Your Lordship has time and again held that FIR cannot be an encyclopedia, Your Lordship.
Correct, but then it should definitely should tell the offence which has been committed.
It is suspicious, Your Lordship. Under suspicion, we had filed the FIR, Your Lordship. There is a suspicion. So,
see, would be possibly through an act of criminal conspiracy. What do you mean by that?
because if any illegal act has been done, because the record of rights are maintained by the GHDC, so without their being in collusion, there cannot be any act or deed that can be done, Your Lordship, because the patta, the mutation records, anything pertaining to the land in Garo Hills is taken care of by the GHDC.
But then see, your allegation here is totally different. You say that Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, being a non-tribal, has no right to purchase any property. Okay, so you do not say that he has done it.
Your Lordship, in the next just the original of the land, para 4 itself, Your Lordship, in this status, second, in this stated contract, if such illegal mutation has happened, then Sri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, being a non-tribal, has no rights to purchase any property or get the land mutated in his favor from late Shiv Jatan Gupta, the original owner of the land, in terms of the provision of the Land Transfer Act, so and so. Further, Your Lordship,
So
further.
violation of Land Transfer Act will become a criminal act.
Your Lordship, it could.
No, I don't think. Show us any
The manner, Your Lordship, the manner in which it has been done.
The act itself.
Your Lordship, the manner, I'm not, if it is done, because
What?
that needs an investigation, Your Lordship.
If it is done, now can FIR be lodged on the basis if it is done?
Your Lordship, I don't have the rights to go and check the land records as to whether mutation was carried out or not. I had tried. So on that basis, an FIR was stated that
you assert and police investigates. But then your assertion cannot be based on ifs and buts.
on the documents, Your Lordship, on the documents placed.
But then you do not say anything about that.
Further, any act, deed, or thing done towards such illegal transfer
Yes.
would only be possible through an act of criminal conspiracy, cheating.
This entire paragraph is qualified by if and buts. If it has happened, then this has happened.
Your Lordship,
and if it has not happened,
Your
then this
Lordship, a layman, when he writes an FIR,
anyway, it's all right. We can understand that. But then, see, you have
But-
to clearly tell the offence. What offence?
Your Lordship, the offence has not been spelt out, but the contents, obviously, there seems that there is some criminal conspiracy and there is some fraudulent act that has happened. At one hand, Your Lordship, he is having a general power of attorney given to him to look after the affairs of the property in 2009. And then he gets the same property mutated in his favor in 1997. If that be the case,
So, if he himself is owning, there is no question of giving him authority for that. He is
Absolutely,
already
Your
owning.
he is already
That
on.
is what you want to say.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now, if somebody is the owner, would he seek
And that
an authority?
Power of attorney is not denied by him.
No, it's his Annexure 5, page 45. If that be so, because at one hand he told, like, I had purchased in 1967, my grandfather had purchased 12 lesa out of 1 kattha 3 lesa. Now again in 1997, again in one para he states that the remaining portion, both with Shiv Jatan I had executed a thing and was trying to seek permission, being a non-tribal, to acquire the land.
According to you, which entry of the land record is false? Which part?
Page 28, Your Lordship. This 29 actually is the Jamabandi copy, and on 28 is the type copy. 28 is typed, 29 is the Jamabandi.
Yes, 20 is the type copy of the 29.
Yes. Your Lordship, if you see, this is the detailed copy here. Your Lordship can see from top they have just cut. Now, they have just culled the names on the left hand side, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has it?
You are referring to page 29?
Page 29, Your Lordship.
Yes, on the top, what you want to say?
Just in the table, you see patta number is the same, 420. Dark number also is the same. On the left hand side, extreme left, Your Lordship.
420.
420.
Then?
2105.
Yes.
Your Lordship, then the names comes here, Dio Chand Jain Bora.
Yes.
Now second name comes Suresh Kumar Jain Bora. Now if second name came because he also inherited. Now in their own pleadings they have stated that the grandfather has directly gifted it to the petitioner herein. So then the father's name would have not come. So it would have come by way of gift, not by way right of inheritance. They themselves they have told that.
No, that may we see every wrong may not constitute criminal offence. That it has come by inheritance or it has come by gift or not. There may be wrong done by mutating authorities.
There is a conspiracy then, Your Lordship. Who is the beneficiary, that has to be seen.
But then which we will assume there is a conspiracy? That is.
Your Lordship, here just one important aspect is on the next page, page 30. The date is there, dated the 11th May 2022.
Yes. That is the date of the copy.
The date of the copy.
Yes.
So prior to that they have issued, patta also is there in the name. The patta is in chief judge's name. Your Lordship, then I'll take your Lordship to page 34, your Lordship.
Just a minute.
Just the dates, your Lordship. I'll just take you to the dates only.
Just a minute. Mr. Jindal had earlier supplied a genealogy or family tree, something like that. He supplied a copy of that, isn't it?
Suppose I supplied at the initial stage.
Yes, yes. That was there in the record.
And we shall do it again.
Give it to. Just give it to. I think this boys did it.
And
I gave you one.
that was not taken into consideration for the reason that these are relating to the title of the property.
That is all right. See, we just want to understand that, nothing else. Actually, we may not go and examine those documents. You see, the way but then just wanted to see that genealogy.
Your Lordship, this was the
Family tree.
family tree.
There's a copy was there with the court also.
You have the copy.
That is what Mr. Jindal had supplied earlier. Was it? Is it that?
This was supplied by me, your Lordship.
Okay.
By you.
Yeah.
We also have supplied, your Lordship, but I have to just
So one page only, one page. A single sheet.
know which I have supplied.
This is the chain, your Lordship, of the family tree. One.
We do not understand anything from this change. So far as this name of these persons are not there. This
Only Chief Jatan is there.
only Shiv
There are
Jatan
two
is-
brothers. The father on the top. I also had one copy, your Lordship.
This is the one which was supplied by me, if I can give it.
Do you have one extra copy?
Yes, it must be in my computer, but I can spare this one copy like in my file.
No, that is, it is not that. You see, you supplied a family tree, not this.
Not the family tree of which party, Lordship?
It's relating to this document probably, this property, sorry.
Yes,
That
I
how
hope it
this-
covers.
The line of inheritance, how,
It went on.
yes, that is the order in which it was owned.
This one doesn't indicate that.
No, there is not that. There is a one-page thing. Probably if not
One
from
page.
If this court correctly remembers.
I don't remember, your Lordship, that one page we had given.
Anyway, it's all right.
ठीक है, छोड़ो। एक पेज का बोलते हैं लिटरेचर कुछ है।
Yes, please carry on.
Yes, your Lordship. Your Lordship, as rightly noted by this Lordship, that the copy was obtained in 11 May 2022 of the same dark number and thing. So copy was obtained. Very well. I take your Lordship to page 34. 11th May 2022, the copy was obtained for Jamabandi, which has been annexed, wherein their names have been put.
Page
The
34 of the
petitioner-
petition.
Petition, your Lordship, page 34.
Yes.
Your Lordship, page 34, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is the land valuation issued by the GHADC resettlement branch, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the dated Tura the 11th May 2022, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the copy was obtained as stated earlier by me on the same date. Here, the land again comes down to covered by PP number 2105, dark number 3109.
So,
Your Lordship, which property is this?
That means, see, that is, that means, see, if you say that, point it out, then it relates to two different properties then.
Your Lordship, these are the irregularities because if the same thing, if there is a mutation in the name, the patta number, the dark numbers should be the same everywhere. It cannot differ from one.
Different property, different property.
It cannot be different property. How did he get this land? He has been.
Are they to tell you how they get that? Are they
No,
bound
Your
to disclose
Lordship,
it to
which
you?
property? Because they have.
That is not the argument you should adopt. It is not for them. You cannot ask their title until unless you have a right and title over this.
Your Lordship, at para 5 of the petition, they have themselves written, Your Lordship.
Yes.
If I take you, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your Lordship, para 4 first.
Yes.
That the petitioner states that the brief facts of the case is that the land in dispute earlier belonged to some Ramdhani Gupta. In the year 1967, the said Ramdhani Gupta sold a part of the land to one late Diochen Jan Bora, that is grandfather of the petitioner number 2 and the informant, that is 12 lessa out of 1 katta 3 lessa, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
That means a part was...
right. Your Lordship, just... Thereby the name of late Diochen Bora was inserted in the land records and a separate patta was created out of original PP number
420. So
yes,
these
Your
are all clarifying what the
That's what, Your Lordship. That the late grandfather of the petitioner number 2 and the informant demarcated the boundaries between the new plots being covered by PP number 2105.
Yes.
Again a new patta, Your Lordship.
2105 has come out
and PP number 420
yes.
by way of bamboo fencing, as was prevalent in those days, yes. Both by Diochen Jan Bora and Ramdhani Gupta continue to peacefully occupy and possess their respective portions of land without any complaints. Now, Your Lordship, later Diochen Jan Bora gifted his portion of 12 lessas to his grandson. Your Lordship.
Yes.
In the mutation records again, there is no grandson, there is the son, which they have told has expired, he is alive. He has himself, in the enclosure it is there, Your Lordship. That I'll take you, I'm just taking one by one. If I am clear, Your Lordship. What I mean to say is, Your Lordship, here he has gifted his portion to the grandson. Yes. That is the petitioner heading.
Yes, the petitioner number 2.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Grandson is the petitioner number 2.
Petitioner number 2, Your Lordship.
So
now, I'll take Your Lordship to para 5, Your Lordship.
What para 5 has to do here?
Here again he says that the remaining portion he entered into an agreement for a consideration of 20 lakhs. Where is that agreement? Whereby an instrument of GPA does not state that any agreement was executed for sale.
These are all civil subjects. See, these are not going, court is not going into all those things. We are just concerned about the allegation which you have made in the FIR. Court will not go into the entire the history of the land, how it was inherited and all.
Now, Your Lordship, they have stated when it's by way of inheritance. Inheritance and a gift are both different things, Your Lordship. If I say a land...
It's okay. It's a different thing, that is okay. That will be seen by the court who deals with the question of ownership.
Your Lordship, GPA also, they have annexed this GPA. Where they are stating the entire land. For the entire land, they have given the power of attorney to the petitioner.
So whether it was given for the entire land or it was for a part of land, that also will be determined.
A mutation was carried out, Your Lordship. Land patta was issued.
Mr. Praske, probably you are going to traveling to the arena. Probably this court is not much interested to go into. Neither this court has any intention to settle any civil dispute between the rival parties.
Absolutely, Your Lordship.
Here, this court only wants to know the allegation made in the FIR
The anomalies.
and the very basis. Just because some documents are contradictory to each other may not constitute criminal offence, and especially when your FIR doesn't say so.
Whether suppressing of material facts also would be like here they have stated that the father of the petitioner.
See,
I'll be submitting only to the affidavit and the enclosures. That is the FIR and the enclosures, Your Lordship. I'll not take Your Lordship to any other document.
no, what purpose you want to see? See, what is your case? Your case in the FIR is simple. That name of such and such person has been entered in total violation of the Land Transfer Act, and such entry will be possible only if there is an illegal, criminal act, say like conspiracy. That is what you say.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, this entry is of 1997, isn't it?
The entry of 1967, Your Lordship.
No, that the entry of the name of
Nin-
Sumit Jain Bara.
1997, Your Lordship.
So 1997.
Prior to that, it was in the name of the father. So wherein they themselves, they are telling that the father had never taken the property. So it was gifted directly to the grandson by the grandfather. There is the petitioner hearing. There's so much of anomalies, Your Lordship.
There may be anomalies, there may be contradiction. Their claim may be totally baseless. But then where is the allegation of criminality? You have not nowhere said that he, in conspiracy with the district council official, manipulated the record, entered his name.
Now the FIR has been filed by a layman, Your Lordship.
See, layman, if you say layman, to what extent? See, like today, anyone goes, files any FIR without stating allegation, and you come with the argument, this is filed by a layman. Cannot be. At least you say what has been done. Your FIR is non-specific. It's a totally general. It's totally general. That if such entry is there, then it is in violation of the Land Transfer Act, and such entry is possible only in case there.
Your Lordship, which requires for a investigation, Your Lordship.
And it's okay. You have made your submission. Anything more you want to show?
Your Lordship, actually I was handed over yesterday only, but whether this Lordship would like to take it on record or not.
What is that? Just
Your
tell us.
Lordship, the grandfather, that is Diochan Jain Bora, expired only on 26th of December 2018. Your Lordship. I didn't have that, just being the officer of this court, it's my bounden duty to inform.
No, that is all right.
2018, Your
But then
Lordship.
you understand 482 to what extent? We may not, see, even we cannot take into consideration his document. Mr. Jindal's document, the document which he has brought into record, that also we cannot go into. It is only the FIR at this stage, nothing more.
Absolutely, Your Lordship.
So that is what we will just see.
Yeah, Your Lordship, in para 5, just the FI states that the eviction, because only when the eviction letters were issued, that the complainant herein, who is the respondent number 2, came to know of such act because of the authority, that the conduct of the due couple, that is the petitioners herein, are not authorized agents. So that's the basis on which.
You did not seek for any injunction to deter them from issuing notice to the tenants and all. You did not do that.
The civil suit was filed after, Your Lordship.
No, civil suit is filed by them, not
yes.
by you.
No.
But then you are aggrieved by their action, isn't it?
Yes, Your
Just because they issued notice to the tenants, you became aggrieved, isn't it?
That is when the complainant approached the GHADC, Your Lordship, wherein they refuse to give the details.
But then your FIR basically speaks about issuance of, see paragraph 3, eviction notice to the tenants at page
Yes,
16.
Your Lordship.
That is your FIR, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So,
Your Lordship, here at page 20, enclosure 4, Your Lordship.
just a minute. The time when you filed this FIR, you did not even know whether such illegal mutation has happened or not. And your entire grievance is those notices, nothing else in the FIR. Yes.
Your Lordship, I'll take you to page 136 of the petition and then I'll rest my case.
Again, another document.
One document, Your Lordship. Page 136, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is the forwarding report, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, next page, just next page, 137, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The third para, Your Lordship.
Yes.
If my Lordship permits me to read it, Your Lordship.
Yes, as per the record collected.
As per the record collected from the GHDC, there exists a plot of homestead land covered by PP number 420, dark number 1450, an area of 0 biga 1 katta 3 lesa, in the name of late Ram Dohin Ram. On 28 to 1997, the area was divided between two brothers, Shiv Jatan Ram and Ram Jatan Ram, and hence the emergence of new PP number 2105, dark number 3109, an area of 13 lesa, in the name of Shiv Jatan Ram, and the old PP number 420, dark number 1450, an area of 12 lesa, in the name of Ram Jatan Ram, while Jamabandi issued dated 28/2/2009. This is a finding, Your Lordship. Another certified copy of Jamabandi of PP number 420 revealed that an area of 0 biga 1 katta 3 lesa of whole PP number 420, dark number 1450, was in the name of Suresh Kumar Jain Bora since 14/2/1969 and transferred to Sri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, son of Suresh Kumar Jain Bora and Srimati Anu Jain Bora, in a joint PP number 2105, dark number 3109, dated 15/3/1997-98. Another report collected from GHDC as annexure revealed PP number 420, dark number 1450, an area of 0 biga 1 katta 3 lesa, stands in the name of Srimati Sheila Devi Prasad, wife of late Ravindra Prasad of Fancy Valley, Tura since 1997, thereby issuing the same PP number 420 to 3 different persons, which is an anomaly in record maintenance at GHDC. Your Lordship, previously Your
Out
Lordship
of
told
these three
there might
persons,
be a different plot
out
of
three
land.
persons, three persons, how many are accused? See, same PP
In
number
respect
14
of
has been three
three
different
persons, both are brothers, Your Lordship. Shiv Jatan and Ram Jatan, they are brothers. This is Sheila Devi Prasad is the wife. I had given you that chart, family
See,
chart. Your Lordship.
out of these three persons, how many are accused in this case?
The accused is only 2 of them, Your Lordship.
So why another has been left out?
Your Lordship, this was the.
At this stage, police doesn't know who is the wrongdoer.
It was at the nascent stage of investigation. Thereafter, there was a stay. Your Lordship.
That is exactly why, precisely why the court is putting that question. If
forwarding
report finds that the issuance of document in relation to one property in name of 3 different persons is something wrong, then such a case all 3 persons should have been accused, isn't it? So long they do not come to a definite finding.
Yes.
Then
the investigation should go on, Your Lordship. That is when if they are allowed to investigate, then only those.
So have you registered cases against all 3 persons?
Not as yet, Your Lordship. Not as yet.
Then, if at all it is to be accepted.
It was
is not
stayed, Your Lordship. So I just wanted to bring this on record, Your Lordship. Because.
Yes.
Your Lordship, actually it's a part of the record and filed by the petitioner, Your Lordship.
No, definitely. You are.
The court has the power, Your Lordship, to produce it, Your Lordship.
No, you should. That is your job to point it out. Just because court is countering you should not feel discouraged. And these are all passing observation. It is not that the court has finally come to a decision.
Your Lordship, that's why my humble submission before this honorable court would be, let the investigation agency be allowed to proceed with the matter, and the present petition fails to make out a case for quashing, and as such, the same is liable to be dismissed, Your Lordship. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Anything that is to reply? Is there anything to reply? Is it not that these 3 entries with regard to 3 entry in name of 3 different persons with regard to the same property requires some criminal investigation may not be strictly a subject of the civil court?
No,
Because
Your
civil
Lordship,
court will
this
have
is
no-
entirely, this is the part of the forwarding report by which they have forwarded one of the accused person to the court, and this cannot form the basis of an FIR. And here my case is of quashing the FIR. Now my endeavors will be on the 3 count, Your Lordship. The first count is this: the FIR was registered, rightly or wrongly, under section 468, 420 and 471. My learned friend from the investigating agency had submitted that there is an element of conspiracy and which require investigation. To this, my submission is this: even the section of conspiracy, that is section 120B, is not entered, and there is no whispering of the conspiracy. Conspiracy should be between 2 persons minimum, and it should be for a purpose of committing the offence. Here, what is the main offence? 468, 420 and 471. And the entire argument of the investigating agency is based upon the conspiracy angle, which itself is not there. Am I clear, Lordship? My second,
See, 468 is forgery with intention of cheating, isn't it?
pardon, Lordship.
468 concerned with forgery with intention of cheating, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship, with the intention of
So-
cheating and using the fraudulent documents
To gain advantage.
for purpose. Please, 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for that. So, Your Lordship, the investigating agency did not find anything under 120B, and therefore no section is added.
See, even this forwarding report, which Mr. Pascal has referred, doesn't say so that there is forgery and all.
It doesn't
What I find
say.
suspicious is that
Yes,
it was issued in the name of 3 persons.
3%.
Isn't it?
3%. Maybe or may not be, Your Lordship. That is
Even
subject
then,
of.
let us assume
Yes, if at all it is there, it is issued in favor of 3%.
that is it.
Now, I will just read section 120B. That section, criminal conspiracy is defined 120A. When two or more person, here nobody is coming. Who is the second person with whom the conspiracy was entered? When two or more person agree to do or cause to be done an illegal act, an act which is not illegal by illegal means, such an agreement is designated a criminal conspiracy.
Yes, whatever it is, see, 120 has not been attracted here.
120 is not mentioned and not attracted, and there is no statement. So, question of taking all those documents for the purpose of ascertaining conspiracy is absolutely uncalled for. That is my first point. Second point, Your Lordship, that in the case of petition under section 482, the court is only to look after the FIR. Nothing can be added, nothing can be subtracted. That is the law settled, and Your Lordship will give me 10 minutes time to hurriedly place, though it is law is there, but allow me 10 minutes time to place 3-4 judgment so as to make it clear that when there is a question of questioning the FIR, court cannot look into any other document. Nothing, no addition can be made and no subtraction can be made. And the first judgment, Your Lordship, which I'll hurriedly take, Your Lordship, only to the relevant para.
There is a list of...
Book I have given. List of book I have given.
Which one you are referring now?
Number 1.
2002 SCC 129.
Yes, Lordship. 22.
We have this.
22. Paragraph 16. 1-6. Lordship, got it?
Yes.
No, actually, it's only list of book citation. That book you have to give. Yes, yeah, this is 2002.
Have you submitted a list of books today?
I have given. She said all the books are here. We reconfirmed also, because matter was taken on the last occasion. It must be SCC, 2 SCC. 2002, 2 SCC.
2022.
I'm sorry, Lordship. I'm sorry. It is 22. I'm extremely sorry, Lordship. 22.
Yes.
I'll just read paragraph 16 in between. At this stage when the High Court...
Just a minute, let us come to paragraph 16 first.
Lecture. Paragraph 16.
Yes.
On reading the judgment of the single judge, it would appear that the single judge has failed to notice the distinction between a petition for quashing under Section 482, which was being considered, and a criminal trial or an appeal against a conviction on a charge under Section 306. The single judge has transgressed the limits of the jurisdiction under Section 482 CRPC. The judgment is replete with hypotheses and surmises on the basis of which the single judge has reached an inference on facts. The single judge has tested the veracity of the allegation in the criminal complaint and in the society note left behind the judges without having the benefit of an evidentiary record which would be collected during the trial. Now, next line onward, it is important, Your Lordship. At the stage when the High Court considers a petition for quashing under Section 482 CRPC, the test to be applied is whether the allegation in a complaint as they stand without adding or detracting, this is important, without adding or detracting from the complaint, prima facie establish the ingredients of the offence alleged, Your Lordship. So nothing can be added, nothing can be distracted. It is only on the basis of the FIR, Your Lordship. The second judgment, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The second judgment is 2024 2 SCC 86, paragraph 63 and 71. And 71. Adverting to the aspect of exercise of jurisdiction by, Lordship, by the High Courts under Section 482 CRPC in a case where the offence of defamation is claimed by the accused to have not been committed based on any of the exception and a prayer for quashing is made, law seems to be well settled that the High Court can go no further and enlarge the scope of inquiry if the accused seeks to rely on material which were not there before the magistrate. This is based on the simple proposition that what the magistrate could not do, the High Court may not do. We may not be understood to undermine the High Court's power said by Section 482 CRPC. Such powers are always available to be exercised ex so to do real substantial justice, for administration of which alone the High Court exists. However, the test laid down for quashing an FIR or criminal proceeding arising from a police report by the High Court in exercise of jurisdiction under Section 482 CRPC, not being substantially different from the test laid down for quashing of a process issued under Section 204, read with Section 200. The High Court, on recording due satisfaction, are empowered to interfere if on the reading of the complaint, the substance of the statement on oath of the complainant and the witness, if any, the documentary evidence has produced, no offence is made out, that proceeding, if allowed to continue, would amount an abuse of the legal process. This too would be impermissible if the justice of a given case does not overwhelmingly so demand. Then, Your Lordship, come to para 71. One minute, Lordship. Para 71. Answer to question B must necessarily depend on the facts of each case, meaning thereby the quality of evidence that is led in course of the trial and the weight to be attached to it. At this stage, it would not be inappropriate to consider the other line of argument advanced by so-and-so, that those documents material on which the appellant seeks to rely have not been admitted or accepted by the complainant and are yet to be proved. Hence, the same cannot be looked into while considering a prayer for quashing, Your Lordship. Cannot be looked
That is all these are documented by accused, not by complainant.
Yes, Your Lordship,
basically this
documents, even by the complaint,
That is separate thing, but then
by implication it goes.
This
If I cannot produce the additional documents,
see, this is basically it goes against you, then it will say that your own documents which you have engaged here, we cannot go into.
yeah, I'm not relying also, Your Lordship, I'm not. Please, let me finish, madam.
This is, see, it is not helping you, Mr. Jindal, unnecessary. This is
No, Your Lordship will give me.
no, you cite other decision. This is not helping you. This is not at all relevant to the issue here.
Your Lordship, it is may not help me. Everything may not help me because I'm making my own research.
at least you-
I may be wrong in one or two
you should at
places,
least cite
and
the
Your
judgment.
Lordship is there to correct me.
No, it is not that, Mr. Jindal. You see, you cite a judgment which would be relevant.
Yes,
we are
Lord.
not at all concerned. See, we are not considering any document
Lordship,
submitted by the accused here. So this entire judgment concerns that.
that's true, Your Lordship.
So this, leave this, come to your next judgment.
Yes, Your Lordship, 2023, 7 SCC, 711.
Yes.
Para 13. This is also, I am not relying,
Yes,
Your
that's
Lordship.
better. That is
I am not
why
relying.
unnecessary burden the court. with
Yes,
being-
unnecessary burden.
Okay.
Then, Your Lordship, 3-judge bench judgment. 3-judge bench judgment and
Which one?
1983, 1 SCC,
There are some recent judgments, Mr. Jindal, on that.
Lordship.
There are some recent judgments. So far as
yes, Lordship.
consideration of other documents in
Yes.
quashing is concerned.
Yes. Same thing, without, no, here 3-judge bench judgment is followed in the subsequent cases. And the case which I refer to, first one, there is a reference of this judgment.
It's all right.
And this is a 3-judge bench
Then
judgment.
it's all right. That will take care of that
Yes,
one.
1983, 1 SCC, 1, 3-judge, paragraph 10. Paragraph 10. It is therefore manifestly clear that proceeding against an accused in the initial stage can be quashed only if on the face of the complaint or the paper accompanying the same no offence is constituted. In other words, the test is that taking the allegation and the complaint as they are, without adding or subtracting anything.
Same proposition you have given.
Yes,
So
Lordship, same proposition. This is of 3-judge.
It's all right. But then, so long the law holds, see,
Yes.
so far as this court is concerned, whether it is 3 judges or 2 judges, so long the law is good, it
Yes,
is binding on this.
that's
Binding
true,
on
Your Lordship. Just then, Your Lordship will just take one judgment, 2025, yes, 3 SCC, 735. Paragraph 20. Paragraph 20. A bare perusal of the FIR shows.
Allow the court come to paragraph 20, then you...
Lordship.
Are you in a hurry? You are...
I'm not in a hurry.
Yes, please.
Paragraph 20. A bare perusal of the FIR shows that the allegation made by the respondent number 2 are vague and omnibus, as the case here is. Other than claiming that appellant number 1 harassed her and that appellant number 2 to 6 instigated him to do so, respondent number 2 has not provided any specific details or described any particular instances of harassment She has also not mentioned the time, date, place, or manner in which the alleged harassment occurred. Therefore, the FIR lacks concrete and precise allegation, Your Lordship. Then, Your Lordship,
Then you relied on Bhojanlal's case?
Your Lordship, Rosanna
Yes,
case,
your list says, your Bhojanlal's case.
that is of which year, Lordship?
Bhojanlal is 1992 one SCC. That is your list says, serial number 6.
1992, Rosanna.
Supplement was SCC.
Yes. This numbering has become little problematic.
And it's all right. Bhojanlal, you do not have to go through.
No,
You rely on
Bhajan,
paragraph
we
102
did
and
not have to
103.
go through. Then, Your Lordship, 2022 6 SCC 559.
2022 6 SCC.
599,
Yes.
paragraph 17, 17. The above mentioned decisions,
Where is that book?
It's not
Oh,
on
sorry.
the list.
Huh?
It's not on the list.
not in the list. I think Your Lordship, the typist has missed it. It is not in the list.
It's not there. It has.
It's not there with you? Huh? Not there. My friend says it is not. It is not there, but Your Lordship, I'll supply her the copy. Your Lordship may take the citation. Check कर दिया करो ना थोड़ा. I skip this one, Your Lordship.
So if it is not there in the list, so they also will not know that.
No, I'm not.
Okay, you'll skip it. Okay.
कॉपी है इसका जजमेंट का. ठीक है सर. We take it back. 2022 6 SCC 599.
That is what you have taken back now.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Paragraph 17. The above mentioned decision clearly
That is not there in the list.
You have withdrawn it also just now.
2022. This is left. अच्छा, ठीक है. No. Okay. Okay. (2022) SCC own line SC 162.
What is that?
162.
That is not there in your list.
No, sir, that is there. I don't know what
Mr.
list you are
Jindal.
making.
Mr. Jindal, you make a list. Come tomorrow. We'll have it tomorrow. You are here, Mr. Paske, tomorrow.
I have also
Okay, but you are being.
No, this is not something. This is every time so much
you
cooperation.
should check up.
When you will be here? When you will be here? When you can be here? Tell us.
Day after.
Day after there may not be, perhaps thereafter there is a matter fixed in the division bench again. The whole thing will go. Give us date. We'll keep this matter parted and then just.
after Diwali.
After Diwali.
And please, in the meanwhile, please do exchange the list. If you have. When?
After Diwali, Your Lordship. Or whatever Your
Diwali
Lordship
is
has.
next week. We'll keep it parted. Mr. Jindal will come. It will come after this week.
I may skip your lordship those judgment also. Whatever is there is there.
Then it's good. Then it's okay. Then we'll conclude the hearing.
Your lordship may conclude it.
We'll conclude
These
the
whatever I have cited, these are sufficient.
Have you concluded?
I have concluded.
Your Lordship, my only submission is that the citations, authorities which my learned senior has given, does not help him in the least bit. Firstly, the first one, Your Lordship, I would like to draw your attention.
Mahendra Kasi.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. He has read out the analysis which shows that this, but then at the end, but the entire, if Your Lordship goes through the entire case law, Your Lordship will find that the High Court has set aside the order by which the Supreme Court has set aside the order of the High Court by which the FIR was quashed, Your Lordship.
Okay.
So it does not help him in the least bit. Most of them, Your Lordship, I have gone through them, doesn't help him. I'll just read para 33 of that first one, Your Lordship. Mahendra Kesi, State of Karnataka and another.
It is 2022. What is this?
2022 SCC, page 129. That is our citation, Your Lordship. We have just given a compilation of all that along with.
The first you are referring to Mr.
My
Jindal's.
friends, learned friends from the other sides.
I didn't got any list. You got list of book. We didn't got any list of book.
We have given you earlier the same list we are giving.
I don't have. Unfortunately, I don't have.
I have given.
We'll
them
have it
the-
after Diwali. We'll have
Okay,
it
Your
after,
Lordship.
please give another, make another list, please
I have
supply
given
another
the
list.
list.
And then get it received, please, so there should not remain any problem. This kind of small thing should not,
Yes. No, but we had given earlier. When they had given them our list,
it's all right.
we had also given them.
Okay, even then, you go, it's in the authorization.
Then lordship from
See, this court has utmost respect for senior counsels.
I agree absolutely, Your Lordship. We have
So,
also.
this cheap things should not happen between.
It has not happened, Your Lordship. My friend, I think, has forgotten that we have
Anyway, it's
exchanged the list.
Anyway, just
Both of us had exchanged the list, Your Lordship.
lordship, then in that case, it may not be concluded on my part. I thought it will conclude.
You have already given. Anyway, this will, I will not say anything. Just say. Heard. Under senior counsel appearing for the parties. After Diwali, when Mr. Paskaya?
Your Lordship, I'll just see and I'll inform the.
But then it has to be convenient to the
I'll
senior
convey
counsel
to the
also.
learned
So you
senior.
inform the
Both
date,
senior.
they will give
Not
you the
on the
date
20th,
after this thing. This thing? Okay.
Both
After
do
Diwali,
not
this will
agree.
go any date. Or maybe any date, whatever date you choose, just give to this thing. Okay. List again on so and so for further hearing.
24th may be possible.
Further hearing.
I'll just
You agree, just communicate it.
I'll just communicate to both.
Just see.
Not a problem.
Item 11.
I come all the way from Surat.
Lordship.